Hi, this is Michael from Nonstop coding tutorial, and in this video I'll show you how to use B612 Camera and Photo Video Editor that you can get from Play Store. But before we do, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated on the latest videos. So as you can see, I have my Google Play Store up and running, and in the search bar type in B612 Camera. Alright, here it is. And before we install this up, let's take a look at the pictures in here. So these are the things that we can do with this application. As you can see, you can customize your photo or video. It has amazing effects and filters like these, all-in-one edit, fast and easy, perfect beauty. You can customize it by adding makeups, edit videos, and so much more. Alright, let's go back and install it. And while waiting for it to complete, I just want to let you know that this is an all-in-one camera and photo video editing app. You can create your own filters like one-of-a-kind filter and share it with friends. It has smarter camera, apply real-time filters, and beautify to capture every moment as your pick of the day. It has various filters and effects from retro to emotional modern style. You can edit videos. Borders and crop are also available. You can use a custom sound source for music by extracting a sound source from your video, and so much more. Alright, it's done. Let's go ahead and open it. So this is the interface, and as you can see, you have the option to take a selfie of yourself and apply effects right away. Just tap the effects and you will have these options here available for you to use. So you also have option to take a video. So I'm not going to take a selfie of myself, but yeah, if you notice, there are also tools in here on the left side. There's ratio, beautify your image, then the layout and bounce, and the timer, and so much more. So if you tap the edit, this is where you can edit your photos or video. Effects is where you can apply effects to your photos or videos. So let's say that we're going to apply this one here. This is AI cartoon. So it will going to look like this, the original, and then the result on the right and at the bottom. So let's start now. Photos. So these are the photos that I have, and this time I would love to try to this one, to Nancy, since Nancy is so beautiful and I love her. So here it is. So just one tap and you will get these results. So the original, this is the original, and these are the effects that has been applied. Now you have the option to link it. Okay, you copy the link and then you can paste it to your social media like Facebook, Messenger, and so much more. You also have the option to save it and share. Okay, so it has been saved to our phone, and you also have the option to share it as well. Now you also have this retry button. If you think that the result is not good, you can try again if you want to, but I'm going to cancel it. So let's go back and try other effects, and let's see what other effects are available. So you see, okay, these are the VIP, where you have to buy the app to make this available, or to make this usable. So they also have this New Year's filter and the shorts. Just swipe to the right and you will see more options. They have creator, effects, cartoon. So we have tried this earlier. There are still options available for the cartoon effects. You can try all of them, and let's try this one. So they also have this available where you can add animations. Okay, so there, the animations, just select, just tap any animations and then it will pop up on your screen. They also have this horror. Okay, color effects, game, party, and so much more. Some of the effects here are not available, especially if you're using the free version, so you might not see what I'm seeing here on my end. And then this one here is where you can see the library, the effects that they have, and you can tap to create. And there's a guide here on how you can apply the filter. They also have this beautify effect, apply music, change background, and so much more. So this is just an example. Then you can tap the sticker where you can add a sticker like this one. Okay, you can add like that sticker position and then hit the check mark there. So it's done. You can also beautify it. So it has this option to change the way, change how you look. I'm not going to do that. The makeup, they also have that. So just select any makeups available in here. Just tap to download or to apply the effects. All right, so the effects is not that recognizable, but you have the option to apply any of the effects in here. So you can try this one. Okay, you can make if you notice, so there the lips has changed. So there is, so the effects has been added there. So makeup adjust, you also have the option to adjust the skin tone, brightness, contrast, saturation, and so on. And then the face paint, where you can add something to your face. I'm not going to do that. Music, you can add music. They have this list of music available for you to use. And filters, okay, these are the filters. They also have these accessories where you can add a crown, change hair, and so on. And background, you can also change the background. So you can put the background instead of white, you can apply that. So there, background has been added. Okay, I like this one. Make sure that you tap the check mark to apply the effects or filters. Transform face, so yes, they also have this. All right, there, so you can transform the face. I'm not going to apply that. And brush, and then cut out, where you can cut some images and apply to this image. Add text. Okay, change the font, add your text in here, change the color, background style. You have the option to do that. Add GIF effects. Okay, these are the GIF effects that they have in here. You can apply that. And then templates, where you can apply the templates that is readily available for you. So like this one, which is a film, apply to an existing effects. Just tap to download and it will be applied. Okay, the previous effects has been removed and replaced with this new one. I'm not going to replace it, so I'm just going to press or tap the X button to cancel this effect. Okay, there. Now if you're done with the edit, then you just have to tap the save button here at the top to save it on your phone. So now that we have this effects added, all you need to do now is hit the save button here at the top and then upload your photos or videos up to 5 seconds, where these effects in here will be applied. Okay, it will be like that. Put a name to your filter. You can add a name to your filter, add tags, and then make it available to the public and make it editable, and then post it. But I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to post it to the public. I'm just showing it to you and how to use it. So cancel. You can also reset the effects. Okay, all effects will be reset. Okay, let's remove that. and there, the effects has been removed. So there are a lot of effects available in here. All you need to do is tap the create and see it for yourself. You can go to this tab here, the tab 100, the makeup, and this one here where we already applied the AI cartoon, and then we choose the photo and we choose this one as an example. Okay, that's how easy it is. So AI is cartoonizing the photo. Okay, so as you can see, it really is amazing. She is so much beautiful now, so we can now save it. Okay, save to album, and we also have the option to share it to your social media. So I'm not going to share it, I'm just going to save it to my phone. So that's how you use this application, and I hope that you have enjoyed watching. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you next time.